While AA-1 logged its 84th test flight, the first F-35B, known as BF-1, completed testing on a specially instrumented hover pit. The tests verified installed thrust performance of the Pratt & Whitney F-135 STOVL propulsion system and validated the performance of aircraft software, controls, thermal management, STOVL system hardware, and other systems.
The results of the pit testing tell us that we got the thrust that we need and we've got the controllability that we need to fly the airplane safely in the hover. We've already got experience of the airplane in conventional flight, and so it now allows us to have a known zone at the low speed end and a known zone at the high speed end to allow us to join the dots as we build down in flight test from conventional flight to the hover and to the vertical landing.
The test results, in combination with completion of the first flight readiness review, reveal an aircraft ready to execute its first vertical landing this year.